as we saw from the tour.
I'm Michael from TrainedParrot.com, and I've just arrived in Sydney, Australia. Here's the Sydney Opera House, beautiful views of the skyline, and just driving out from through the city in a park, we saw a bunch of cockatoos right on the ground. This is like parrot paradise here. The Australian Museum. Let's go check out the parrots and fossils, dinosaurs, all that cool stuff inside.
Here we have a lot of cockatoos. This is the Sulphur Crested Cockatoo. We saw a bunch of those here in Australia, just around the city. All these guys are popular as pets. This is the long-billed koala, little koala. Here we have some rare cockatoos, which is Mitchell's, really beautiful bird. Black cockatoos all over the place. This guy is pretty common. This is a Galahs. And here we have Lorikeets, Regent Parrot, King Parrot. Anyone can recognize those. This is a cockatoo and Fiji. Great parrots over there, Eclectus, female and male. And these are the parrots of Australia.
Some rainbow lorikeets flew into the palm tree by the Sydney Harbour Bridge. on the eastern edge of Australia. Over there's the Pacific Ocean. Over back that way.